Hello everyone and welcome to my channel High Tide Fishing. But today our video is not about fishing, it's fixing something. It's fixing a sewing machine, and the model is a PFAFF sewing machine and with model number Hobby 1042. I think there's something wrong with it because when I try to sew something, this is what comes out. Both sides of the fabric not good. So I think there's something wrong with the tensioning mechanism of the sewing machine, and we'll try to look into it and see whether we can fix it. So we need only two tools. One is a flat screwdriver, small one, and the other one is a Phillips screwdriver. This one is the tensioning mechanism of the machine. It's calibrated from 0 to 9. 9 being the greatest tension, and 0 is the minimum tension. So we have to remove that cover there and see where we can if we can fix the assembly which provide tension to the thread. So here we are. We use the screwdriver to remove the cover, or the bolts holding the cover to the machine. So there it is. So we open it now. We remove the okay. So now we have exposed parts of the machine. And the tensioning mechanism is this one. The tensioning assembly, I mean. So we tried to remove it and see whether we can fix it. So it is held in place by only one bolt, and that's the bolt there. This is the tensioning assembly, and there's the bolt holding it in place. So we're going to remove it and see whether we can fix it. So we can now remove the assembly. Okay, so you can see that the assembly consisted of two plates where the thread passes, and there's a spring which provides the tension, and there's another wheel here which is also used to adjust the tension, and on the other side there is a stopper to prevent this wheel from turning around. So what we do is we press that stopper a little bit, then you turn the wheel clockwise, one turn at a time. So okay, afterwards we're going to test for the tension by putting a thread, then pulling it. Well, there's a bit of tension now, so we'll see whether the tension can be increased. So we put it to 9 and test again. Oh, definitely it's tighter. Definitely it's tighter. So I think that's probably the reason. I mean, that's probably the solution to the tension problem. So we put it back to 0, then we put it back in its place. It's a little bit hard, but you just have to, maneuver it around. Okay, finally you're able to put it in place. So we put back the bolt which is holding it in place. So okay, then we tried sewing again apart from a part of the fabric, and this is what came out. So it looks good now compared to the one before. So we can finally put back the cover. So there it is, the assembly is finished. So you can start to use it again without any problem with the stitches. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.